Orange juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, folate, and potassium. It provides a quick natural energy boost while delivering powerful antioxidants like flavonoids that help fight inflammation. However, unlike whole oranges, which contain gut-friendly dietary fiber that slows sugar absorption, juicing strips most fiber away, resulting in a higher concentration of natural sugars. Health benefits: immune support. High levels of vitamin C help strengthen the immune system, protect cells from free radicals, and improve iron absorption. Heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while plant compounds like hesperidin can improve blood vessel function and cholesterol levels. Brain function. Regular consumption has been linked to increased short-term alertness and potential long-term cognitive benefits in older adults. Kidney health. Oranges contain high levels of potassium citrate, which alters urine composition and lowers the risk of developing kidney stones. Nutritional context. Juice versus whole fruit. While both offer similar vitamin and mineral profiles, understanding the difference between drinking juice and eating a whole orange is crucial. Whole fruit keeps the beneficial dietary fiber intact, which feeds healthy gut bacteria and significantly slows down how quickly sugar enters the bloodstream. Fruit juice. Because the fiber is removed, the sugars are digested rapidly, which can cause sharper spikes in blood sugar. For more detailed information on maximizing citrus benefits and nutritional profiles, you can explore the Healthline Orange Juice benefits. See the following information on our channel future feature on the surprising science behind orange juice. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition videos. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.